Target has been captured. Establish visual contact.
Hit confirmed.
Missile launch at target.
Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range. Missiles launched. Torpedoes standing by.
I see a hit on the target.
Establish visual contact. Helm aport. Half ahead.
Keeping watch.
Starboard the helm. Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at the enemy. That's a hit.
Establishing visual contact.
Torpedo 2 fired. Establish visual contact. Target hit. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire on command. Torpedo 2 ready.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Missiles launched.
Engine full speed ahead.
Captain, ship ready to fire.
Keeping watch. Hit confirmed.
The enemy has been destroyed. Fire on command. Establish visual contact. The target is within range.
Establishing visual contact.
Torpedo 2 fired.
Keeping watch.
Torpedoes standing by. That's a hit.
Establishing visual contact. Our ship is under enemy attack.
Target destroyed. Fire at the enemy. Combat Unit 5. Face the ship. Captain, the target has been captured. Both engines, half speed ahead. Fire on command.
Perfect time to speed up.
Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. Stop the engines.
Prepare to fire. Keeping watch. Hit confirmed. Establishing visual contact.